Right. Titty! Right, anyway. Remember, I got this and a blue bike. A blue pit bike. I think you might have seen it on one of the videos. But there was a problem with it. When I got it off the lad says, oh, it's leaking oil or something. And he come in a bucket, he couldn't fix it, couldn't put it back together. He said, well, he actually said the threads have gone on this rod. Anyway, when I've got it put it back together, the threads hadn't gone on this rod at all. The threads had gone out of the engine block. So, as you can see, you try and tighten these up when you put the head on. And all it does is pop and bang, and because it's getting too much air. So, we need to fix this. How are we going to fix the threads that have gone in there? Let's see. I don't know. Get one of these, look. Thread repair kit, right? So, all you do is you measure this with your caliper gauge, if you got one. And then it'll tell you which size you need. Anyway, I needed this. What size is it? M7. So, if we look, all it is just the, oh, wait there. Corona. Right, where is it? All it is this insert here. Can you see it? This insert. So, you get all the tools that you need. You drill the hole out with that. Tap and, is it tap and die, isn't it? Tap it, yeah. You tap it, and then you insert this in with this little thing here, can you see? With this little thing. And it screws in, and there's your new threads. Should fit on there perfect like that, look. And there's your new threads. So that is what we're going to do today. So first job, I need to take piston off, don't I? Should I take this out and all, you know, so we can get it in straight. We have to get the hole quite straight, don't we?
Should be able to just take that piston off, it should be just enough room.
Do you reckon? Right, let's do that.
Rod should drop down far enough.
Roger should drop right down. Right. Piston off! Right, what I'm doing here, you can see how deep the hole is, so I just put the screwdriver down it, put some tape around it here. And then I'm going to put a bit of tape around on there to show me how deep I'm going to go. Because I don't want to go too deep. I don't want to go too shallow. So, get on with it. Tapping over. When we put the insert in, we want it to be a little deeper than it is already, so where's the inserts? When you put the insert in, when you put that in, you want it to be just below that, but you want it deeper, the hole deeper at the bottom, so you can snap the little tag off there. So I've gone in that deep there, so I'm just going in it a little bit more deeper. Oh no, when I put that on there, that should be about right, shouldn't it? Yeah, because that'll screw all the way up to there. No, that's about right. So now, tap and die it! Or is it just tapping it? Right, I need my tap and die set to get the handle for this. Dun, 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 dun. Right, that's what I've been looking for, this. Just out of a tap and die set. If you don't have one of these, you can put it straight into the drill. But, because it's a sensitive matter, I don't want to... When you put it in drill, you can tend to rip the threads out, and I really don't want to do that, so... How are we going to be able to do it? Oh, but how are we going to be able to do it with this? Because of the things. Let's have a look. Right. There's no way we can do it unless we take all these off by hand. So we are going to do it. Well, Dixon's going to do it with a drill. So if he breaks it, it's his fault, not mine. Innit, Dix? I'm only joking. If you break it, it's my fault. Show him what to do it.
I'm doing it then.
Yeah. Well, I put a bit more bog roll in there, but at the end it's scary. You seem like you know what you're doing.
Go slowly, slowly. That's all we can do.
Then when you back it up, it loosens all the shards that are in there. And see how deep it's going. How far was it on that screwdriver?
It's a little bit more, yeah.
A little bit more. Oh, it's made a nice thing though, hasn't it? Let's see how it's going to blow some more of that crap out. If I'm not too harsh, I will end up getting knackering threads, and we don't want to do that.
Stop it before it gets out 5 now. We are almost there.
That'll be alright, that though, because that's the how fat the thread thing is.
That thing off the right, so it'll go in a bit further in.
So should be perfect, shouldn't it?
Yeah, because you only need that to go out halfway
Halfway in, then it's got the rest to snap that little spiny bit off at the bottom. So, right. Now we need to clean it. I've got some, was it meth in there, methylated spirits? Will that give it rid of grease, or should we just give it a good wipe down? Because you don't want any grease on it, because I'm going to put some Loctite on the threads and screw her in.
Do something like a carb cleaner or something like that, but if you ain't got none, you ain't got one.
Nope, adapt and overcome. Dixon likes it. Right. Can't find my Loctite, so next we get this little tool here with the little prongs in it, and it's got a little slide here that moves up and down. What the slide's for, I put it in here, shows me how deep it is. Because remember, once I put this insert in, it's not coming back out, and I need to leave a little gap at the bottom to get the other tool to snap that little lug thing off there. So let's screw her in. So all it is, put that on there and screw her in. Hopefully. Oh, she's going in smoothly there. Yeah, that's not coming backwards like. So go like that. And when we screw it, we want to screw it till all the threads have gone all the way in, and like just below that, just below this here, because obviously we want the gasket on there, so we don't want anything sticking on. So maybe a little bit more. Right, now that is in, it's in place. Let's have a look, Can put a light on the situation. Then that's the brand new threads. So now next job, putting our bolt back in. Oh, look at that, look at that. It fits. Oh my god. Perfect. Look at that! God, I'm good! Woohoo! Right, we'll screw that in and let's put it back together, shall we? Come on, get in! Eat that, you sausage! Got to say, you get this little tool with it. All you do is poke it down there. I ain't got 3 hands, so I can't do it on camera. So I'll do it down there and get hammer, give it a little tap, and that little lug on the bottom of the thing that we use to screw it in will pop off. So then the thread can go all the way down. Oh yeah! Oh, look at this. Time for it to go in. Will it fit? Will it fit? Let's have a look. Oh, look at that. Smooth. As smooth as you like. Oh. Yeah, boy. What I'm going to do to tighten her up is put 2 10mm bolts on it, nuts on here, sorry. Then I'll be able to wind her in. Oh, mate. It's going to go like stink. Oh, it went fast when it was popping and banging and spluttering, so let's have a look, see what we can do here, eh? And voila, would you look at that? The engine is back together. Sorry about the dodgy, well, there was a music that was on, but it was like fast forwarded. I had a little plan in mind, but it didn't work out. But so, just ignore that bit and woohoo, look at that, it's back together. Now all we need to do is put it back in the bike and give it a go. But thanks for watching. Woohoo! Where's them rats, see? Where's them rats? Oh look, sneak peek, sneak peek. Thanks for watching, goodbye.